Welcome to the enchanting world of magic and manifestation. Today, we'll explore the powerful herbs that can be used in money spells to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Herbs have been used in spell work for centuries, each carrying its own unique energy and properties. Let's delve into some of the most effective herbs for money spells. Basil is a powerful herb for attracting wealth and prosperity. Its vibrant green color and potent energy make it perfect for money spells. Use fresh or dried basil leaves in your rituals to draw financial abundance. Bay leaves are known for their wish-granting properties. Write your financial intentions on a bay leaf and burn it, releasing your desires into the universe. This simple act can amplify your money-drawing spell. Cinnamon is a well-known spice for attracting money and success. Its warm, inviting scent can be used to infuse your spells with prosperity. Add cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon to your rituals for an extra boost of wealth-attracting energy. Mint is another powerful herb for drawing abundance. Its fresh, invigorating energy can help clear financial obstacles and attract new opportunities. Use mint in teas, baths, or as part of a money-drawing potion. Chamomile is often associated with luck and prosperity. Its soothing energy can help you stay calm and focused on your financial goals. Incorporate chamomile into your spells to attract wealth while maintaining peace and balance. Creating an herbal sachet is a simple yet powerful way to carry the energy of these herbs with you. Combine basil, bay leaf, cinnamon, mint, and chamomile in a small cloth bag and keep it in your purse or wallet to attract continuous financial abundance. Hold the sachet in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize yourself surrounded by wealth and prosperity. See your financial goals manifesting and feel the positive energy flowing into your life. By harnessing the magical properties of herbs, you can enhance your money spells and attract abundance. Thank you for joining us. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, may your days be filled with magic and prosperity.